Asante Kotoko, Uku Apem Beba, full time Baba Yara Sports Stadium, Kotoko clean sheet, 2-0 against LEGON Cities. Yes, the boys promise no more deliver after match day 29, Ghana Premier League, Kotoko achi LEGON Cities, Echomo, 2-0, Ewo Ghana Premier League. First half, Ena Mukwala Eto Atena, Idikan Ema Kumase, Asante Kotoko. Second half, Yeba no and a Nuruddin. I think said the first goal for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and also a recorded. Now line up a Kotoko de Shasi and Medema initially Asari Frederick on a Dapunum, Sharif Muhammad defender, Baba Yaya, Emmanuel Kote, Mohammed Nuruddin, Enoch Morrison, and then so Bobo Papa, Nicholas Osebonsu, Intim Menu Andrews, Peter Amidu Aqua, and Stephen Mukwala alongside Eric Zeza and also Okraf form pa. In the course of the game, second half, Korokonya 2-0 lead. Richmond Opoku Dembele Ebebobi, yes, and a Shadrach Ado, and also the youngster, and also Ebebobi in the course of the second half. In a game, your witness say, what the significant thing is a Kotoko. A movie 3 games unbeaten. Kotoko Samata so share Kotoko Media ma obo draw ene Kumasi Asante Kotoko as a winning against LEGON Cities. Kotoko got 3 games unbeaten. Let's state that one on record. In the first half, Kotoko nya penalty through Boa. Baba Yaya was brought down in the penalty area. Yaje penalty ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko Mukwala Bijina ho or converting so nicely in the 31st minute of the game Sago no buy for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. In the second half, Kumasi Asante Kotoko dominate first no second half sabe dominate Emma Kotoko nya kona bi intim menu efleke ball no Emma player your friend Mukwala Mukwala pian ball no beto Nuruddin Yusuf Muhammad Opaija Natina Akasa in the second half, 6 minutes in the second half, and a second goal no buy. Till then game no ekoye den don affairs sa kopim say 90 minutes no so ya Kotoko enya sa 2-0 win we player bi Kotoko na wo kwakoye unsung hero momo yembo na baso ene game we player bi ewo ma Kotoko wo se yebo na baso pan intim menu Andrews or Bobo Makumasi Asante Kotoko yini yem Bobo Makumasi Asante Kotoko nanse pa yemmo na baso. Yes, let's commend him. Kotoko kosia motumvo wie nyoma eko tote for Krobia Asante Kotoko. Right now Kotoko enya 40 points. Yes, Kotoko a movie, yes, with 40 points on the Ghana Premier League table. That is say the Kotoko eyere no kakra bia top 4 ayeka say eye Kotoko target no, and also another significant thing Kotoko is approaching the top 4 of the Ghana Premier League. Mid league table no fixtures e barrow sisia.